Yes, guys, today I want to show you how Arsenal will line up tomorrow against Aston Villa. This is how Arsenal is going to line up versus Aston Villa. This is my lineup. I don't know how Arteta will line up tomorrow, but this is mine. I don't know if you will support me, but guys, I know you will support me. So guys, let us start. Of course, our goalkeeper, as usual, guys, it is just David Raya. David Raya is very, very good, superb. As you know, he has 8 clean sheets. He is leading across Europe. All top 5 leagues, he is number 1. So, we have no option, but he will start tomorrow, guys. Then, tomorrow, Calafiori. Guys, Calafiori will start. Ricardo Calafiori will start because he is very good, energetic, and he knows how to play around, guys, with those players like as of those of Aston Villa. Yes, guys. Then the next one, of course, we have Ngapié. Ngapié will also start tomorrow because Saliba, Gabriel, you know, they are not fit to start tomorrow. And you saw how he performed against Brentford. He was superb. Even Gabriel and Saliba were very pleased with Ngapié's guys game. So tomorrow also, because Mosquera is injured, Timber will step in. Of course, Timber plays. But Timber will play here because Mosquera is injured. That's why Timber will be right there, guys. Then Benjamin White. Benjamin White was superb. Benjamin White played very well versus Brentford. He was man of the match. And he pleased me so much. So tomorrow, guys, Benjamin White is going to start. Believe me or not. Then, in the midfield now, we don't know if Rice will start or not because he came off the pitch versus Brentford. We don't know if he's injured or not. We don't know if Arteta will put him in the starting lineup or he will come from the bench. I know he's fit. But because of that, I've decided to give these 3. According to me, Odegaard, of course, our captain, played very well against Brentford, will start. Then, I've removed Merino from forward. I've placed him on the midfield because he's naturally a midfielder, guys. So, he will play there. Then, Zubimendi, of course, our stone, our pillar, he will just play right there, guys. And then, in front, I've decided to put these 3. Here, Eze will play very well, guys. Then, Gyökeres will start there as the striker. Then, Saka is going to play right there, guys. So, this is basically my lineup. How we are going to face Aston Villa. But, guys, we know there are some players who are on the bench. Number 1, Martinelli will come in for Eze if need be. Then Madueke will come in for Saka if need be. Then we have Gabriel Jesus here, is also fit and will be on bench. We have so many players, guys, who can step in. We have Nwaneri, we have Doman, and such players who will, guys, step in. So, let us see how Arsenal will play. Benjamin White has some roles. He plays very well there, but also he comes this way, then coordinates with Saka. When Saka is not there, White will just do his things. Gyökeres must be sharp. to score using his head, because we know Benjamin White is very, 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 very well. Next, Merino. Merino can also decide to switch to here, because you know what he can do when he plays there. Eze cannot stay just here. Eze steps back also to help. Then Eze can also come here, play in the middle, then Merino switch there, guys. Timber, of course, you know, he plays very well. He can score. Calafiori also can come like this, can score. Then things, guys, will be very well. I'm seeing a win. I'm seeing a win of over 3 goals. Before I go, let me show you like Everton, and not Everton, Aston Villa. So this is Aston Villa's lineup, guys. So let me show you just here. Of course, maybe we can only fear this. We can only fear Watkins, guys. And then Onana. I don't know what is Odegaard doing here. I don't know what is Odegaard doing here. But guys, I think here is Morgan Rogers. Morgan is here. I don't know who plays here for Aston Villa, but I placed here Odegaard guys, mistakenly. Of course, this goalkeeper started, meaning, how do we call, Martinez is not fit. Then they have Cash. Then they have players like that, guys. I don't know. How do you want Arsenal to line up, guys? How do you want Arsenal to line up against Villa? Do you do you agree with my lineup? Do you agree with this, or you don't agree? Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more updates of football. Kasip the Cable. Bye bye.